How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we're going to fix this Samsung. Model number is wa40j3000aw-A2. It is a washing machine that has been leaking out the front. I actually just drove in from Texas to fix this for my mother-in-law. She wanted to fly me in. I just said, nah, me and my wife will drive, so that's why we're here. We're gonna fix it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up so other people can find it and help fix their leaky Samsung top-loading washing machine. It was giving an error code that it wouldn't fill. I'm here diagnosing it. There would be some water in the tub, but it would get up to about here before it started leaking, which made me think that it's probably something related to like a hose at that level or something. It wasn't leaking from here, wasn't leaking from the back. Just tried to replicate it. It would only leak on filling cycle. It wouldn't leak on spinning cycle. So we're gonna go in the back as far as we can. You're gonna have to get this panel off. There's 4 screws, one here, one down here, one down here, and one down here. Once you get those 4 screws off, your Phillips head screwdriver for lefty loosey, you're going to lift this whole entire back panel up, and then you're going to pull it towards you a little bit, which of course I'm having trouble doing. You're gonna lift it up, pull it towards you, and then you're gonna drop it down. That releases the top clips and gets that out of the way. So as soon as we look in here, see this little hose on this little nipple, it was off. So we're going to reconnect that. We're gonna push it on, grab that clamp, make sure that it's on there nice and tight. That's where the water was coming out of once it got to that height, dripping down here into the floor and then out into the tile. To reinstall this back panel, you do the opposite. You go top first, push that in, and then push it up, drop the bottom panels down, reinstall these 4 screws. Once that back panel is back on, your project is complete. We can plug everything back in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss another project, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.